How to use green screen on CapCut. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, simply go to CapCut. Now click on new video. Here you guys will simply import the pic of your green screen. For example, that is my green screen pic. Here you guys will wait for some seconds. Now for removing green screen, I will simply click on that photo. Here you guys will see on down split animation effects AI video delete. So simply scroll on the right. Now here you guys can see remove BG. So simply click on remove BG. Now here you guys will see auto removal, custom removal, chroma key. So simply click on chroma key. Now you guys will simply click on color picker. Now here select the green screen, and once you select it, that's it. The green screen will be removed. After that, click on arrow. Also you guys can adjust the intensity, like it's upon you, according to you. You guys can adjust. Also you guys can adjust shadow and other things. After that, click on that check mark, and that's it. The green screen will be removed. For using it on overlay, you guys can watch the separate tutorial on my channel of CapCut full tutorial. It was 5 minutes video. So you guys will understand how you guys can add image overlay etc full CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching.